Guys, welcome, and today I will be telling you guys how to invest your money and earn profit. By the way, I'm Rofayl Sadaat. So before we start, we always need to know about someone that's telling you something or teaching you something. So about me, I'm Rofayl Sadaat, and I invest my own money in different ways to earn money. I have never lost my money in any kind of investment and have earned a lot of profit from different kind of investment. Today I will be telling you guys some of the ways to invest your money to earn a lot of profit. So before you ever invest your money, you have to learn that loss and profit, they're something that can happen in any kind of investments. So yeah, and we not need to know how I started investing. So when I was 13, I went to my dad's warehouse and did some chores for him over there. And then in a month I have earned $200, and from that $200, I thought, why not just invest it in some kind of investment. So I invested those 200 to buy something, and I resold it for a profit of $200. Then I kept doing that and found different various of ways to invest my money. So yeah, so the first thing we need to do before investing is you need a budget. Okay, to find out how much you should spend or invest, follow these steps. What's your monthly income or yearly income? So there's two kinds of people. There's one that has a job, and there's one that's under 18 and doesn't have a job. So I'll start with the people that has a job, and then I'll tell what the people that doesn't have a job can do to find their budget. So let's say your yearly income is 80,000 and your monthly income. So to find your monthly income, you have to do your yearly income divided by 12. That's your monthly income. So if the yearly income is 80,000, the monthly income would be 6,000. So now you have 6,000 in a month. Now you have to subtract it with your bills, groceries, and your taxes and everything, and like some stuff for your own stuff. So approximately that would be 1,200, 2,150. That would be three. Let's say that would be $4,500 you need for yourself. So the remaining would be $2,500. Now you have $2,500 to invest. Now you might have $4,000 in your savings and you want to invest some money. So if you have $4,000, what would you do is that if you have $4,000, divide 4,000 by 2, and then by 2, that'll be $1,000. So the amount you have in your savings divided by 2 divided by 2. That how much you can invest, as the remaining would be for yourself. So in total you would have $3,500 to invest. And you might use it for only one kind of investment. You might use it for different various of investments. So the first investment we will be doing is stock market. Some of you guys might be wondering what stock market is. So like most of us might think we have to buy it and you might go in loss or profit. But the real thing is a stock market represents a share in a company's ownership, and those who own stock can claim a percentage of the company's assets and earnings. Exactly what percentage depends on how many shares you own relative to how many currently exist. Or in finance speak, the outstanding with some simple division. We learn that a stockholder who owns 100 shares of a company with 5 million outstanding shares owns 0.00002 of the company. You won't get it. Because these kind of numbers are only used in stock, and like they're not like used in your daily life. So if you want, you can learn more about it by searching on Google. So let's continue. A company will issue stock in order to raise money for various businessy reasons. The most prevalent of them being expansion in the company wouldn't otherwise have the cash to undertake. When the company first issues shares, they often do so through what's called an initial public offering, or IPO. Since it's the first time they're sold, this is called stock primary market. Once the share has been sold at that first time, stockholder will need a place to resell them, kind of like a used car lot for stocks. This is called the stock secondary market, but it's more familiar referred just to as a stock market. So how to make a stock market account. So these are two I would recommend everyone to use. The first one is Questrade. So a Questrade is a very simple and easy making account website. So there's no opening commission or annual RRSP or TFSA account fees, and they're free to transfer your account. Okay, fewer fees and transferring price. Invest more, save on money. So as you guys can see, it's a very secure thing to do. So it's gonna charge you some money for investing. So it'll be 1 cent. So we can all afford that. So to open an account, you can individual margin, retirement saving plan. You can choose. So I'll do margin. And then you can press open account. Now it'll give you different various it's gonna ask you different questions to create user ID, build profile, and set up an account. So it's 3 easy steps, and you will be able to make your account. So for the pricing, as I showed you, this is it. So yeah, here. So these are the 2 plans over here. For stocks, it'll take fixed and there's a variable and fixed is great for high volume shares and option trading at one low price. A variable is great for buying a few shares of expensive companies. So fixed is $4.95 and then variable is 1 cent per share. And then options $4.95 plus contract, and then to buy the EATFS, it's buy for free, and then pips as low as 0.8. So what I would recommend everyone is to buy the fixed one. If you buy a variable, you can only buy a few, but the expensive one like Apple, Tesla, like those. But fixed, you can buy small companies and big companies both. Now the second one I would recommend is Wealthsimple. As Wealthsimple is another one that I trust. So you do money right, and then it goes like that. Grow your money. And this one, I suppose, doesn't have a hidden fees or anything. So if you go to products, you can invest on autopilot, send cash in seconds, commission fees, stock trading, you can buy crypto and tax. So I will press the free stock trading. How it works: buy and sell thousands of stocks in ETFs. Commission free, no trading, no account minimums. So this one doesn't charge you anything, and I would recommend people to use this Wealthsimple other than that Questrade to start, because like they're both good, but this one doesn't charge you. So to make this it takes only 5 steps. And yeah. So let's go back. So now we're gonna go with Cryptocom. before I go ahead, I have forgotten to do that. Okay. So most of us might know about like where we can check like stocks, but these are some stocks I would recommend everyone to buy. So the first one is Alphabet Inc. I love using Alphabet Inc. Cause of how it's been doing in the market. So if you look at Max, you can see how it went so high. So let's go 5 days. You can see it was in 255 and it went to 521. But if we go 1 month, you can see it went down, up, down, up. So that what stock market is. It will go down, but it will go up eventually. Now the second one I will recommend is ASML. ASML. This one it was in profit. As you guys can see, 1 month ago, it went down, up, down, up. It went up, 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 then down, 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 up, 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 and it's starting to go up. 5 days ago, it went down, up, and then it's starting going up. So it went $3 down in a day. So if you at 9:36, it was at 700. 12:26 p.m. 705, and right now it's at 701. So stock will eventually go up. So I recommend buying these two, but the other one is DocuSign, and DocuSign 5 days ago was really high too. So it went up, down, 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 up, 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 up. But if you look at Max, you can see it's eventually going up, 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 down, down, down. And then look, it's starting to go up. 5 days ago, down, up, up, down, down, up. So at 9:34, it was at, let's check. It was at 281, and right now it's at 282. And it was at 10:46, it was 284. Now, the other one I recommend is In Mode. So you should always go 5 days or 1 month back before buying a stock, because you have to check. So if you go here, Max, okay. So if you go to Max, you can see it was in profit, low profit, profit, low profit. Let's go Max over here. Okay, now you can see. It's gonna go higher. 5 days ago, it was in profit. 1 day ago, it was at 971 at 9:32, and it's at 995. So yeah, but you always gotta think about the future, not what's like happening right now. So Magna, I have 2 more. So this one, if you look at it right now, it went really high. So it was at 39 to 92. Let's go a month ago. It was in lost, right? So all the ones we have are in lost. But now let's go 5, and it was at 92, right? So now just look at this. It went to 95, and then there. Right now it's at 93. So it's in profit. Now the last one I would recommend everyone to buy right now is Snap. Like, if you guys want to buy the other one, you guys can, but you guys have to buy Snap. Snap, if we go over here, Snap is Snapchat. It's been really, it was good. It's like keep going up, 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 up. Like 6 months ago, it keep going up. So right, it was 5 days ago. It was at 67, and right now it's 67.44. Yeah, so I think it's keeping, but it'll eventually go higher. So now we may go to cryptocurrency. That's another thing that people are buying a lot. So some of you guys might be wondering what cryptocurrency is as well. Cryptocurrency is a form of payment that can be exchanged online for goods and services. Many companies have issued their own currencies, often called tokens, and traded especially. These can be traded especially for the good or service that the company provides. Think of them as you would arcade tokens or casino chips. You'll need to exchange real currency for the cryptocurrency to access the good or services. Cryptocurrencies work using a technology called blockchain. Blockchain is a decentralized technology spread across many computers that manages and records transaction. Part of the appeal of this technology is its security. So now some of the ones that you might be wanting to use is crypto. Crypto.com is another one that you can use. I use this one as well, as it's very secure and it tells you if it's going higher or down. Now, product app, you can see it. You can look at it after. But now we should look at the other one. You're using Kraken. Kraken is another one that people use, as it's way secure, but I would rather use the Crypto.com. But you might use this one too. So sign up today and buy $50 50 plus cryptocurrencies in a minute. Get started with as little as $10. So I would recommend under 18 people to use this one, and would recommend over 18 to use this one. That's what I think. Now let's go back to over here. So some of the crypto currencies I would recommend to invest in is this one, Ether. Let me just and this one. It's one of them that will be going really high. As 5 days ago, it was at $2,224.05, and $2,224.05. So you'll see. So it might stay the same. But eventually, just as you can see, at 12 a.m., it's starting going higher. Because at 12 p.m. it was at 2,143, and now look, it keeps going higher. As you guys can see. And now the other one I would recommend everyone to buy is Binance Coin. Excuse me. Here. USD. Binance Coin USD. It's $307.08. As you can see, it went down. It wasn't lost, but then it kept going up. If you can see, it was down. look, on January 25 it went high. In May 10 it went, and now it's back at 3 and 7. And eventually it'll go up. Now the other one I recommend is Binance C. This one is a really good one that you might want to invest in. Sorry. This. So this one is one of them that I'm investing in. So as you guys can see, the max, it went really high and then it went down, but it'll eventually go up too. As you guys can see. So you always have to keep an eye whenever it goes high and whenever it keeps going down. You can either sell it or think or just keep it. It might eventually go up again. So this one I would recommend everyone to buy, as this one is one of them that I would love to buy. And this is one of them that I would buy, and I did. So as you guys can see, it was up, then it went down. So that will happen with every stock that you will see. 5 days ago, you can see it went so high, and it will. So if you have time, just buy it. And you guys can see it was so at 12:40. It was 169, and at 7:42, it went at 174. So it's all about your timing and your moves. That's what I will say. Okay, now let's go to reselling shoes and sneakers. So some of you guys might be wondering how a reselling shoe might work. So if you buy a pair of shoes for $150, that original price is $250. You can resell it for the original price. Or if a pair of shoes is on trending, you can put it on a higher price. And using any of the two methods, you will see, you will for sure get a profit. So the two places I would recommend selling it on is StockX. As you can see, there's the options, and you guys can see people are selling shoes. And what the best thing about this is that you can even buy from this and then sell it too. And the other one I would recommend everyone to go sell it on is Go. As Go is something like StockX, but it's like you can say a normal shop, but people can like sell on it. That's what I would say. But I would recommend people to buy selling on Gold, as you guys can see. But I would recommend people to sell on StockX. It's a way better. But what I would do personally is I would go on Facebook Marketplace and I will sell Jordans. As you guys can see, people are selling their Jordans over here. So I would look for, let's see, let's just look at this one, right? So I would copy it, Google, paste it. So I will look at the price online. So over here it's the price is you have to compare if it looks the same. So it's 150 and 160, 217. So I would definitely buy it, because I would be getting a profit. So if you buy that one, Air Jordan 1 medium red. You can sell it on Facebook Marketplace and these two. And sell it in for, let's see, $195. You will be getting a profit of $45. And you can keep using this method to earn. So let me show you guys another example. Let's say you need to be really smart with your moves when reselling stuff. This one, Jordan Gray Premiums. Okay, so now and then the price is $480 and the price is $180 over here. So you get a profit of approximately $300, and I think that's a good investment for anyone. So the last method I would be using is reselling cars. If you find a car that's very cheap, buy it and resell it for $1,000 or $2,000 more dollars. And when it's sold, buy another car for the same price you bought the other one and resell the car and keep it going. Keep the profit for yourself and don't invest your money in the car, and it can lead you to a loss. So this is, I'll tell you what I meant. So the places that you can sell it on is Kijiji. It's a very good method to sell your stuff. And the other method is Facebook Marketplace. We all know about this. So Facebook Marketplace. So I will be telling you what I meant. What I meant, you can get lost. So I'll search for a car. Okay. So as you guys can see, the prices are. You need to find cheap prices, but cars that are in good condition, and that it's automatic, because that's what most of the people buy. And then this one. Let's look at it's $2,000, and let's copy and paste it to find the price. $20,000. Okay. So now the price if you buy it new is $20,000, and the price for this one is $20,000. The price is $2,000. So what you would do is buy this and sell it for $4,500. And then, so the profit you would get is, let me check. $4,500 minus $2,000 would be $2,500 profit. So keep the $2,500 for yourself, and then reuse those $2,000. Reuse the $2,000 to buy another car, such as I would say this one, 2012 Ford Fiesta. So now let's look at the price for this one. Okay, now just look at the price for this one. 2012 Fiesta, $1,378 to $7,688. And the price is $2,200. So what I would do, I will sell it for $5,000. And then 5,000 minus 2,200 is $2,800 profit. Keep the profit. Don't use that. Okay. And then a last example is this one. Now let's look at this one's price. And then I'll tell you what I meant to not use the profit you get. The worth is 300,760. Okay. Don't buy that one. Cause you need to find one where you can get a profit. Alright? So let's see Tesla. Here. A Tesla. Okay. Let's just look at this one first. But I'm trying to find one that can give you a profit. One. 13,172, 28,000. 15,000. Use it. So the money you get from the profit. So if you do that 10 times, you can buy a car that's like $15,000, and then buy cheap cars like $2,000. Don't reinvest the money you get as a profit. Reinvesting that $2,000 until you make approximately $30,000 of profit. Then use that $15,000 as a profit, and then use it to buy a car. Not a cheap one, a really good one that's trending or something, and then resell it for $20,000. So I would resell it. So the price would be 28. I would resell it for 25,000, and you can get a profit of $10,000. So you always gotta be smart with your moves and how you invest your money. The end. I hope this presentation helps you invest your money in the right place or helps you get a lot of profit. And yeah, thank you and have a great day.